Hi guys, this is a tutorial to show you what you should be doing when you have ZINC for asynchronous work. So you'll have to open up your class's agenda. I'm using period 5 for this video, but this will be the same for any period, it doesn't matter. And you will see these directions every time. So you need to sign into Clever first, because that is the only way to get to ZINC. You're going to click on Springboard, you'll click on ZINC, and then you'll complete one close reading assignment. So I'm going to show you what these steps look like. So when you click on the link for Clever, if you are already signed in, it will take you straight here. If you are not signed in yet, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. All you need to do is click Login with Google, and you end up back at your dashboard. So I know that the student one looks slightly different than mine, but you should have these sort of little icons for different applications. The one that we are looking for is Springboard, which is this green square with the blue sort of rectangle at the bottom of it. So when you find that, you click on Springboard, and it should take you to your textbook homepage, which looks like this. To get to ZINC, you come down to where the little ZINC and leaf icon are and click Access. Now, this is the teacher dashboard, so I am going to go in and impersonate a student so you can see what it will look like for you. Okay, so now I am signed in as a student, and I signed in as someone who has not done anything in ZINC yet to show you what it's going to look like. So I'm assigning you reading activities. But if you still have this here about click to take placement test, it means that you didn't finish that yet, and your reading assignments won't show up until you finish the placement test. So if you have this, you need to finish that before you can start reading. Okay, so if you have completed your placement test, you see that whole bar goes away because it's done. And it will show that you've been assigned a 6-week reading sprint. And if you want to, you can view your progress through that. So what will happen is each week, it will assign you 2 close reading activities. And I will specify if you're supposed to do one or both of them. So when you go into your progress, you can see exactly how many you have done. So if I assign you 2 a week, you can see what's going on here. You finished 1 the first week, 1 the second week, but you still have these 2 that you need to do. So if you haven't done any yet, when you log in to a specific assignment, it's going to give you this, which is a zinking lesson, okay? So this video, it will ask you to answer some questions. It's teaching you what you need to do within the reading activities. This video is part of it. It is not the whole thing. I'm not going to start this because if I do, I will complete it for the person who I'm impersonating right now. But you do the video and then the reading activities. So when you look here, for this day, this class has 1 close reading assignment. If there is a second day of asynchronous work, it might tell you to complete a second close reading assignment. You need to read your agenda to see how many you need to do. So this one, I'm giving everyone a hint that for cycle 4 and cycle 5, this class needs to have completed 3 close readings to get full credit for asynchronous work. If you have questions about this, please let me know.